Hi, I'm Tom. Welcome to Aura Fitness and Yoga. And today I've got the amazing Taylor with us today. This is a great opportunity for some of the beginners into the gym environment. Taylor's, although in great shape, really has not stepped foot in the gym in the last, how long?
I don't know, a few years, I guess.
Awesome. So obviously still does her exercises outside and stuff. So today we're going to show you a couple of exercises on our TRX series at the Aura Fitness and Yoga here, which we can hopefully, any ability, show you a couple of different variations to help you really strengthen the whole posterior chain of the legs. Let's get at it. Okay, exercise number one. We've got the heels rested in the loops on the TRX straps, and we're tucking the heels towards the bum, effectively contracting the hamstrings and the calves. If you want to step this up, you're going to lift the hips off the ground so there's more load into those straps. We're now in the same position. We don't actually have to move the feet throughout this, so you can go straight into the next movement. We're gonna actually take the legs away from each other, so we call that abduction at the hip. We're gonna contract those muscles as far away as we can and hold for a second and slowly return back together. Each movement doing about 10 to 12 repetitions on each. And number three, so it's kind of like the exercise, the mountain climber, but this time we're in the reverse, obviously with the heels still in the straps. We're gonna bring one leg towards the bum, really taking nice good control with this. You have to maintain tension in both legs, otherwise you're gonna have that soaring effect with the TRX. And then slowly release, and then bring the other leg in. So we're kind of going through this motion, fully extending and flexing the leg to your best ability. Okay guys, thanks for joining us for this one. The benefits are huge for the strengthening the hamstrings. We found that a lot of, especially females, are very quad dominant. So it's so important to really strengthen those hamstrings, the calves, the glutes. I think you can speak for it. How did that feel?
I honestly loved it because I could really feel the burn. I could feel the burn in my legs, and I knew that it was working, and that's something that I love about a workout, is when I know when it's working the moment that it happens. So yeah, I loved it. Excellent.
So yeah, for beginners, maybe start with one set of each. You could progress that up to 2 or 3 sets each, and you'll really start to feel that. So guys, thanks for joining us. Please like, share, comment at the Healthy T. My name's Tom Baxter. You can find me on Instagram as tbaxterpt. And yourself?
And I'm Taylor Edwardson. You can find me at Tay_Edwardson in the description below.
Yeah. Thanks for joining.